Hey, good afternoon. I am Phil Kopp with Conectric, and we're going to talk about 3 basic modes for the ecosystem advanced wireless energy management system today. These 3 different modes can be used in a hotel setting or another setting, and what we're going to demonstrate is how easy it is to change between these different modes. So what I'm going to do, this is a kit here of ecosystem. This is a control panel. This control panel is what takes in sensor inputs and what switches the AC. And for the purpose of our demonstration, this thermostat is going to represent an AC unit. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this into an occupied state with the occupancy sensor here. I just picked that up really quick. So this is an occupied room, and the person that's occupying the room is setting the thermostat however they want to set it. And you can see there's a little LED light right here. It's green. You can sort of see it in the middle of the ecosystem text there. And that indicates that the system is active and that the room is occupied. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to open this door. You can see this light starts to blink 2 times. That actually means that a door is open. I'm going to close the door, and what's going to happen is in 30 seconds it's going to go into an unoccupied state because we're not going to pick up the occupancy sensor. So it's like someone leaving the room. So they left, and you'll see in 30 seconds it'll go into an unoccupied state. And basically what it's going to do is just going to kick off the AC unit. It's going to say, hey, the room is empty and nobody is in there, so we don't want to run the AC. So you see, kicked off the AC unit. You see this light now. Again, it's sort of blinking 1 time, like blink, slowly, blink. So what that's saying is that the room is unoccupied. So this is sort of a normally operating state. We were joking earlier on a phone call about this is the Barbadian mode. In Barbadian mode, they're very cheap, so they want to just turn off the AC when nobody's in the room. So this is Barbadian mode. It just turns the AC on and off, and that's it. Very straightforward. Now, let's say that there is a high roller guest. They want to pay and use as much electricity as they want. They don't want ecosystem switching this on and off. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to deactivate Barbadian mode and deactivate the ecosystem. This is a paper clip, okay? There's some holes on the front of this. You pick this hole, stick the paper clip in, and what happens? The little light turns off. There's no light there. The light is off, the AC is on. Now this unit has no input whatsoever now from any of these sensors. I can open and close all these sensors. No input, has no impact on how this AC unit works. This AC unit works however the guest wants it to work. They can turn it on or off. They can change the set point. No impact at all on the ecosystem. It was as simple as using this paper clip. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn it back onto Barbadian mode. Paper clip, hole. I'm going to put the paper clip in the hole. I'm going to press the little button, and guess what? It's on now again. It's active. That light is blinking. It is waiting for sensor inputs so that now it can operate in its simple on-off capacity. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 1 step further. We're going to take it out of Barbadian mode. We're going to go to Title 24 California Energy Code mode. In Title 24 California Energy Code mode, it's not simply just turning the thermostat on and off. We're going to run our patented long cycling strategy, which means if it gets too hot in the room, it will cycle the AC on, and this is how we change that function. So we would remove the cover plate on this unit. Probably this is going to be mounted up on the wall somewhere, and you will see here some little buttons, some extra lights, and some switches that you can use to change the settings. So if I wanted to take it from Barbadian mode and put it to Title 24 mode, I would first of all, I would push this button that turns the light off, that puts it into a settings configuration. I would take this little jumper right here. You can see it says disactive setback. Very straightforward. It's in the left position, which is disactivated, deactivated, and then I'm going to now move it to the activated position. So I'm going to take this jumper out. I'm going to put it on the active side. I just move that jumper, that's all I have to do. And then I'm going to take this cover plate. I'm going to put the cover plate back on. In real life, there is a screw that goes in the bottom. I put the cover plate back on, kind of snaps into place there. So now, okay, now we are going to reactivate the unit. It is now running again in Title 24 mode, where it will control the AC unit when the guest leaves the room. It will make sure that the temperature never exceeds 24, 27, or 29 centigrade, whatever we program that unit for. And that's it. 3 modes, as simple as a paper clip or moving a little jumper over. That's all it takes. It literally takes less than 20 seconds to do any of those things. So it's that simple and it works. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.